Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be doing a battery swap on a MacBook Pro. I've already taken the back cover off. This is a A2289. Should be a pretty quick job. Got a bit of dust in here. So once you get the back cover off, we've got to disassemble or take the screws out for the trackpad, disconnect the trackpad cable. Because the batteries are glued in and I'm going to be needing to use some IPA to loosen the glue, it's better to take the trackpad off completely, get it out of the way so that I don't get alcohol all over it. So there's 4 screws, well 8 screws, 2, 2, 2, and this, and then the battery connector as well. There's these little washers here that you don't want to lose, so keep that up. So that's out the way. Oh, it's nice and dirty in there. I'm going to have to give that a good clean. Okay, so finally got the whole battery out. Like, I don't understand why they have to use so much adhesive. Literally all it would take is 4 or 6 screws, a little plastic frame around the battery. Anyway, what can you do? Apple. So all batteries out. Now before we can put the new battery in, we have to get rid of all this old adhesive, which is just an extra step for no reason. So I'm just going to soak it with alcohol. The new battery has new adhesive strips on it. Let's just soak. My alcohol is running out. Just going to clean off all of that. I'll be back once that's done. Okay, so I went through and I cleaned off all of the old adhesive, put the new battery in, just basically going in reverse, putting in all the screws. I think I've done all of those ones. Reconnect the touchpad. Take off the label. won't do any screws yet. Let's switch it on and make sure that it still boots up. Let's connect the customer's USB-C charger. See what happens. Apple logo. Oof, I was getting a bit worried there for a second. Okay, it's I just want to make sure that the battery percentage goes up. I will blur out the client's name, sitting on 73%. There we go, just gone to 74. I'm plugging the charger. Machine stays on. Plug the charger in, starts charging. So that's it, looks good. Give that back to the customer, and I think they will be happy. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks again for watching. If you like this kind of content, feel free to like and subscribe. Share the video if you have any friends that like this kind of stuff. And once again, thank you very much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.